In this video, let us solve this question together. So we have 2 raised to power root t is equal to 8 raised to power t. And here, or to solve for the value of t, so t is equal to question mark. Now to solve this, solution, we have 2 raised to power root t equals 8 raised to power t. Now first, we can write 8 as 2 raised to power 3. So right here, this becomes 2 raised to power root t equals in bracket 2 raised to power 3 to replace 8, then power of t. So from here, the next thing we're going to do is to apply this rule that if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this rule right here, we have 2 raised to power root t is equal to 2. Now power 3 multiplies t, 3 times t is 3t. So with this, we can then apply this rule also that if you have a raised to power b equals a raised to power c, since the bases are equal, just compare the exponents shows that the value of b is equal to c. Same thing here also, we have the same base, 2, just simply compare the exponents shows that root t is equal to 3t. So with this, we have square root here. We are going to eliminate the square root, and to do so, square the both sides of the equation. So in bracket, root t all squared equals to in bracket 3t all squared. So square cancel square root, t is equal to, now looking at this, we are going to apply this rule. If you have a times b all raised to power 2, this equals a squared times b squared. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes 3 squared times t squared. Okay, shows that we have this as t is equal to 3 squared is 9, then times t squared. So with this, move t over to this side. Here becomes 0 is equal to 90 squared, then minus t. The next thing is for us to rearrange this, shows that we have it as 90 squared minus t is equal to 0. Now t is a common factor here, so factorize out t into bracket 90 minus 1, all is equal to 0. So with this, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So t is equal to 0 or 90 minus 1 is equal to 0. So with this, we have gotten the first value of t, t1 is equal to 0. Now let us then solve for the other value of t from this other linear equation. So from here, 90 is equal to 0 plus 1. 90 is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 9 over 9. 9 divide 9. The value of t is equal to 1 over 9. So the second value of t, t2, is equal to 1 over 9. Good. Now we have gotten two solutions for the value of t. t1 equals 0 and t2 equals 1 over 9. So then let us check, let us verify if the solution of t are the correct solution. So let us check it out. Check. The first value of t, t1 is equal to 0, t2 is equal to 1 over 9. And the question given to us is 2 raised to power root t is equal to 8 raised to power t. So let's check for the first value of t, which equals 0. So we have 2 raised to power root 0 is equal to 8 raised to power t becomes 0. Now we have 2 raised to power root 0 is 0 equals 8 raised to power 0, right? Now from here, if you have 2 raised to power 0, this will give you 1. If you have 8 raised to power 0, this will also give you 1. So in fact, if you have a raised to power 0, this equals 1. If you have b raised to power 0, this equals 1. But if you have 0 raised to power 0, this is not equal to 1. But in this case right now, you can see that 1 is equal to 1. So this means that this is correct since they're the same, and the value of t1, which equals 0, is the correct solution for the value of t. So we have confirmed for t1 equals 0. What of t2 equals 1 over 9? Let's check that out. So right here, t2 is equal to 1 over 9. And the question is 2 raised to power root t is equal to 8 raised to power t. And from here, 2 raised to power root t is 1 over 9 is equal to 8 raised to power 1 over 9. So from here, applying this rule that if you have root a over b, this equals root a over root b. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes 2 raised to power root 1 over root 9 is equal to 8 raised to power 1 over 9. So from here, we have this. We have 2 raised to power root 1 is 1 over root 9 will give you 3 is equal to 8 raised to power 1 over 9. Now, at this junction, we can express 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. So in place of 8, we bring in 2 raised to power 3. So this becomes 2 raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to, in bracket, 2 raised to power 3 or raised to power 1 over 9. Now, at this junction, we're going to apply this rule that if you have a raised to power b or raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b times c. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is this. We have 2 raised to power 1 over 3 is equal to 2. Now power 3 multiplies 1 over 9. 3 times 1 is 3 over 9. So from here, we have this. We have 2 raised to power 1 over 3, okay, is equal to 2 raised to power 3 here 1, 3 here 3, 1 over 3. And since they're equal to each other right here, that means that the value of t2, which equals 1 over 9, is the correct solution, okay, is the correct solution. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.